I'm Varun. In this video, I'll talk through Yoodli's most exciting feature, multi-persona roleplays. Far too often, reps roleplay one-on-one settings. But in reality, you need to learn to read the room. You're selling to an entire buying committee, a procurement manager, an engineering lead, and you need to know when to jump in. With Yoodli, you can come and practice live. As an example, I've set up this roleplay for, let's call it a Google Cloud seller, to practice pitching with Alex, McKenna, and Edward, who are from Alaska Airlines and each bring their own persona. I can practice with most major languages. I can even share my screen, so I practice with a technical demo or slides. And my enablement lead has come up with a custom rubric. In this case, it's aligning value to priorities and much more. My goal is not just to hit my talking points, but to also make sure I can converse with different members and address each of their pain points. Here goes.
Hi, Aditi. I'm Edward Jones, product manager here at Alaska Airlines. Really excited to dive into this discussion about GCP today. I've had some great experiences with their platform, and I'm looking forward to sharing those insights. Before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to my colleagues.
McKenna Parker, finance partner. Let's get straight to the point. What's the cost structure looking like compared to Azure? We need to understand the total cost of ownership here.
Edward, McKenna, Alex, it's a pleasure to meet you. Look, before I jump into my intro, Edward, you mentioned you're excited about GCP. What particular problem are you trying to solve?
Great question, Aditi. We're looking to...
You get the gist. By the way, I'm doing the demo from Aditi's account. That's why it talks to me as I'm Aditi. But it's contextual. It's near real time. Within seconds, I get a report. I can come and share this with my manager, my friend, my peer. It integrates into my LMS, my CMS, existing ecosystems in which I learn. I get a report on how I've done. I speak too fast. I speak too much. I don't ask open-ended questions. I've got a transcript. And then I've got custom feedback around the rubric that my GCP manager set up for me, objections for me to practice, and how I can address concerns from each of my stakeholders accordingly. Thanks for listening. You can check out multi-persona roleplays and a lot more at yoodli.ai.